Good morning, everybody. Good morning, all. Just answer me whether my screen is visible or not. No. Anybody can answer me, please? Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Prasad, Neha, Dipankar. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. So today, is the Power Query editor is clear? Yesterday we learned the Power Query editor. Prasad, Neha, Dipankar, Power Query editor. Is it clear? Power Query editor, please. Come on fast. Power Query editor. Who have completed the Power Query editor practice? Who have completed the Power Query editor practice? Okay, very good, very good, very good. So today we are going to learn again the new option. Under the data, yesterday we learned how can we extract the data from the different source. And then today we are going to learn about the new data types available in MS Office 365, sorry. MS Office 365. Now, here in a data, there are options of the data type, that is organizational, stock, currency, geography. So I'm going to tell you about the stock and currency and geography. Suppose I have a one stock name, that is Reliance Industries. Okay. And I want the current price should be there. Okay. Current price should be there. So yes, there is a one function that gives you the current price, but make sure your data is converted into the data type, that is the stock type of data type, stock type of data type. When I convert it, then it is giving me the suggestion. Just select from here. And then now you can select just select here. And now you can take the current price. For example, is equal to this dot current price or price. Enter. See, then the like 52, suppose I want highest price, highest price. So is equal to this dot, this is the function. See, 1551. Then lowest price, and it will be updated as the market is updated, because see, we are online. So definitely it will get update when the market will be updated. Is it clear? Now next, suppose I am having this and I want to convert it into the same data type. So just select from here, just take the format painter and then apply it. Then it will be okay. I should drag it and then TT. Now see, now you can drag it. Okay, is it clear? So this is the like in the like it automatically updated according to the market because we are online. Now the next data type is, that is again a very important data type, that is geographical. For example, Delhi. Okay, Delhi, and suppose Indore, then Ahmedabad. So I should convert it into the geographical, right? And then is equal to, suppose I want to check the Delhi population, then drag it. Then I want to select the image of this image. Definitely this is the image. Okay. So this is the way how you can use this kind of data type. This is city. This is the population. And this is the image. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now the next and the last is currency. So suppose I want USD to INR. Okay. USD to INR. So I should convert it into the currency data type. And then is equal to this dot currency is equal to this dot price. Okay. See? Okay. And then suppose you want opposite, then INR to USD. Then INR to USD. And same price. Is it? Is it clear? Shall I move for the next? 3 data types which are very important. The first is a stock, second is a currency, and third one is a data set from the different folder. Okay, Dipankar? Okay, okay. Please check whether your version is 365 or not. Is it 365? Make sure you are using the 3 because it is only available in the 365. Dipankar, please check. $365. So see, under the data, the option is given na data type. See, please check, Dipankar. Did you find, Dipankar? Do you find? See, stock is like, suppose you have to write down the stock abbreviation. For example, RIL. Okay, I typed here the RIL. Then the moment I click here, data type stock. Okay, then it will give me the suggestion. It is giving me the suggestion because RIL is a abbreviation of so many things. Okay, so instead of that, you should type here the Reliance. enter. Now it is giving me you the suggestion. Just select it. Okay. For example, suppose it is then data, then stock, then Vodafone Idea. Directly it is giving me the suggestion. If it is fine, then it will give me the suggestion. Otherwise, we need to select from here. Okay. Is it clear? Did you find any problem? Should I move for the next? Okay. Everybody cleared now? Next. See, after that data type, there is an option of sorting. We already have seen the sorting, filtering. Okay, advanced filter we already seen. One more time, I'm giving you the advanced filter example. Suppose these are the data. Okay, and you have to copy the headings. You have to copy the headings in the new sheet. Okay, now I want the ship date should be the greater than 1st March 2000. I think so it is. Okay, 1st March 2014. Okay, I want the data should be, I want to extract the data. The data should be greater than 1st March 2014. So here under the ship date, in the ship date column, below the ship date, you have to type the condition 1/3/2014. You can type like this also. Okay, now I want the data of like which is the greater than. So just again, anywhere place the cursor in the blank cell. I am placing the cursor. Then data, advanced filter. There is an option of filter the end list. Instead of that, just select the copy to another option. Then list range. List range should be the complete order table. Okay, from very first column. And then criteria range. Criteria range should be whichever I created here. And then copy to where I want to copy it. I want to copy it here. Then press OK. See, now you are having the data which is the greater than 1st March 2014. See, all the data are here which is greater than 1st March 2014. Now I am having the data. I can check. I am having the data 30,077 rows, and here it is 50,000 in something rows. See, 51,290, and here I am having 30,297. Is it clear? This is the advanced filter. Is it clear? Should I repeat it again? Please check. Kokila, please check your version is 365 or not. Because see, it is the new, like it is only available in the 365, MS Office 365. So you should have the Excel 365. Kokila, please check your version. Is it clear? Kokila, if you have the 365 Excel, then definitely under the data, you will have the data type. I'm sure. Is it advanced filter is clear or not? Please answer me. Come on fast. Should I move for the next? Can you repeat the one more time? What, Neha? Okay. See, I'm sure like you are asking about the advanced filter. See, these are the data. Okay, I'm having the 50,101 to 91, 50,000, 51,291 rows. But I want only the data which is greater, in which order date is greater than, greater than 12/2014. Okay, so first I should create the one, just copy the all the labels, headings should be copied, and I'm copied here the headings, and under the order date you should make a condition greater than 01/12/2014. This is my condition. This is my condition. Okay, then just place a cursor anywhere, go to the data, then advanced filter, then copy to another location, and list range is a order table. List range is a order table. Okay, then criteria range is whichever you created recently, 2 rows. Okay, then copy to where you want to copy it. You want to copy here, and press OK. See, now the orders whichever is greater than 2012-14. See, now you are having the rows 19125. 19125. Complete date. Should I move ahead? Okay. I'm sure you got it. Neha, understood? Want to select in what to select in criteria range? Yeah, I told you na. See, like when you select the in the criteria range, na the criteria range should be where you copy the headings and the condition. See, okay, I'm telling you. See, the criteria range is E5 to AB6. That is this one. E5 to AB6. That is this one. Just select it and then control shift right arrow. Okay, this is the complete criteria. Is it clear? Got it? Okay. Shall I move ahead? Right. Now the next is a very important, sometimes, you want the like unique market value. So here you want a unique market value in a new sheet. Okay. So just click here, data, new sheet, just take a new sheet, data, then advanced, and this time copy to advanced another field location, and this time only you need to select the market range. Which one is market range? Please see. Here is segment, country, region, market range, including the heading N1 to N51 291, N1 to N59 2191. Now criteria, just make it blank, keep it blank. Then copy to here in unique records. See, so how many markets is basically you have? USCA. Now if you wish like market according to the market total orders, then is equal to some count if, then range. Okay. And then this one. See, now in USCA, you have 10,378. Asia Pacific, you have 14,000. So total will be whatever the data you have, 51,290. So this is the way how you can extract the unique values. Is it clear? Should I move for the next? Unique value. Unique value. Okay. Fine. Now next. Now next is a very important again. In a data, after completing the advanced, that there is a text to column. Text to column. Okay, text to column means whatever we have completed in the split, now that is known as a text to column. So I am going to give you the example. For example, I have this customer name here. In this sheet, I am having the customer name. Okay. Now I want the customer name should be separated with the space. So there is an option of data, text to column. Select it first, huh? Then delimited. Delimited means separator and fixed width with number of characters. Then next, through space, I want to shift it. So definitely it will shift it in the 3 columns. Then see, is it clear? Is it clear? Text to column. Explain this name feature again. Prasad, just give me the question clear in concise way. This name feature means what? I'm not getting properly, please. See, now the thing is, suppose you are having the customer names in a single column. Now I want to shift it in the another column because I want to separate it with the space. So here is an option text to column. And then delimited, then next. Delimited is a separator. In separator we have the space. Separator we have the space. Then next. In a advanced, the option is decimal separator or thousand separator. Okay, decimal setting used to recognize the numeric data. It is only for the numeric data. Now please. Okay. Okay. Yesterday, I was having one problem. Like when I import the data, like data, get data from file and from Excel. Okay. And then here I am having the data. For example, C:/. Is okay. This one. Now, when I import the data, I want directly to load it. Okay. I want directly to load it. When I imported the data, then the problem is what? Like the date is shifted to the left side. Present now it is shifted to the right side. Why? Because now the format is correct. But see, yesterday my system's format was presently it is DDMMYY because I already set the format. But now again I am doing it MMDDYY. Okay. Now the date is not correct. See. Now when I import it, the date will be not extracted correctly. By default, it is taking. But see, yesterday I find a one error. Like here, my date was 04. Then here is a 16. Now the date is not correct. So what I do, I select this data. Okay. And then I use this option. I'm going to copy here. I want to copy here in the new sheet. Okay. I copied here. Now, the problem was the date was not correct. Okay. Here, the date was not correct. Like 01/16/2014. 50. It is correct. 16/01/2014. Okay. Now, this type of errors I was getting yesterday. This type of error I was getting because see, my system format is MMDDYY. And here it is the format is, here it is MMDDYY. So I was getting one error. So what I do, 31/04/2021. Okay. Okay. So what I do, I select this, I use the data, then text to column, then delimited, and delimited, then next. There is an option of then next, there is an option of date. So you should set according to your system. Your system date format is MDY. So then finish. Data, text to column, next, and then date. DMY. Then finish. See, now it is correct now. Is it clear? See, so many times we got this kind of error. So yes, so I like immediately have an idea, like I should tell you. Okay. Is it clear? Text to column. Next. Okay. Now the next is data, then text to column. Then there is an option of flash fill. Flash fill. The whatever the option we have learned in the Power Query Editor, that is column from example. It is a very good option that is available in 2013 onwards. Okay. For example, I want a label. Okay. I want to make a label. Like I want to make a label of the order ID. And ship mode should be added. Order ID and ship mode should be added. First class. I provided a one pattern to the Excel and I should select here and Control E. See, this is known as a flash fill. Control E is a shortcut key. Okay, let me again give you the example in a clear way. For example, suppose these are the two columns. Okay. These are the two columns I am having. And I want to make a label of shipping cost and priority. So label, then shipping cost is 40.77 and high. Just make a pattern and then select it and use Control E. Control E is a shortcut key for the flash fill. Either Control E or you can drag it. Then in the mini toolbar, you will have the option flash fill. See. Couple of example. It is asking for the couple of example. So if you use directly the Control E, directly it will take. See, Control E. Is it? This is a very good option. You know, this is known as a flash fill. Yesterday we have learned in the Power Query Editor, that is column from example. Should I move for the next? Is it clear? The example is clear. Flash fill. This is a very good option, you know. Flash fill. Make sure you used this option. Flash fill. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Thank you so much for the properly replying. Next. Now, again, the next option in the data, there is an option of remove duplicates. Remove duplicates. That is similar as a like whatever we learn in the Power Query Editor. So just take a duplicate value, copy, then I am pasting here, and then remove duplicates. Here is the option of under the data, there is an option of remove duplicates. Then column J, but my data has header from order priority. See, 51286 duplicates are there. Very good option, no? Good option. Is it clear? Remove duplicates. Next. Now, under the data, there is an option of, here there is an option of data validation. Anybody can give me the explanation? What do you mean by the data validation? What is the meaning of the validation? Anybody, please? Validation. Validation means what? No? Okay, fine. See, validation means what? Like for everything, like to join the CMA, there is a validation. Okay, like for example, suppose you should pass the graduation, you should graduate, and you should have the 50% in graduation. So that is what? That is validation now. That is validation. And if you want to join my class, then again there are some validations. Okay, the first validation is you should CMA student. Unless until you don't have the CMA registration, you cannot join my class. So this is just like a validation. So what is the, yes, restrict to something, Dipankar, very good, appreciated. So now the thing is, in a Excel, no validation is there. You can type anything, like number or date or whatever. But you want, like the data should be restricted. Okay, so data should be extracted. So there are two ways. One is already we have the data entered here because we are getting the data from the client side. And second one is whenever you want to enter the data, then the Excel should restrict by entering the wrong data. For example, here amount should be there. Then just select it. Or like suppose a cell, in a cell, single cell. Okay, I'm going to select a single cell. Then validation, data validation. And I want, instead of any value, I want a whole number. Whole number between 0 to 10,000. Then input message, because see, we have the lots of cells. So how we can find out in which cells the validations are there? So the message should be there. Put a whole number. Title you can mention, error alert. If somebody wants to enter the beyond the that, then error alert. What error should be there? Wrong value. Okay. Now see, the message is here, input message, but here is not a message. Now I entered here the 9999. It is okay. Now I want to copy this validation subsequent cells. So just copied it and just select the cells, open the paste special and then validation. Now here also the validation. Now I enter the 10, it is for okay. 1000, it is okay. 9999.99, it is not okay because it is not a whole number now. It is within a limit, but it is not a whole number. Is it? And suppose I want to enter the beyond the limit, then again the error is wrong value. Instead of Microsoft Excel, you can type your own title also. Is it clear? Now amount, date also. Okay, so data, then validation. Data validation, then settings, instead of wrong date, you can select here the date. Then date between 01. My format is DDMF. Bye. So 03 31st 2026. No, it should be the end date. Okay, the start date should be 04/01/2025, and this is the end date. Then error alert, wrong date. This time I am not putting here the input message. Okay, now 04/01/2025. It is okay. But the moment you enter the date beyond the date, beyond the limitation, then 03/31/2027. Enter. See, it is giving me the message. Is it clear? Validation. This is the very simple type of validation I told you, right? In the next step, I will tell you the advanced validation. Validation. Yes, Prasad, very good. Try to like use the validation. Okay, I'm asking to those students who are using the Excel, who are working on the Excel also. Just type it, please. Okay, so very good. Now next. Now see, sometimes you want to create a list here through the validation. In a validation, there is a very good option, that is a list. For example, here, okay, so I want all the orders IDs, only the order IDs can be entered over here. In this cell, only the order ID which is valid, which is available in the orders table, can be entered here. Okay, but I don't want to enter. I want only it should be the select from the drop down list. So there is an option of data, then data validation, then title, settings. In a settings, there is a list. There is a list. Then sources. You should select the source. This one. Enter. Then, okay. Now see. All the order IDs are here. Order ID. Then you can use whatever you want, like VLOOKUP. Okay. For example, you want to use the customer name. Then is equal to VLOOKUP this comma. Then you should select the table from here, because the in a VLOOKUP, the first column should be the then comma. I'm not sure which column is there. Comma 0. Okay. See, the moment you change from here, automatically the name will be changed. Is it? Even you want customer name and customer name. Here is customer name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a customer ID. And 6 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 7 you want both. Or 6 and 7 you want. 6, 7, 9 you want. So you can 6, 7, 9. Okay. Here you should type 6 in a curly brackets. 6, comma 7, comma 9 in curly bracket close. Enter. See? All three values you are having. This is the segment. This is, I don't know. Okay. So the moment you change from here, automatically it is giving according to that. Is it clear? Is it clear? And same thing, you can use the copy, then paste, validation. Okay. Now, the moment you select it from here, okay, the formula should be copied now. Now presently it is not available. Why so? Because order ID is not selected. Even I told you about the if error function. You can use the if error function also to avoid the errors. See? Very good option. List. Good option. Very good. Is it clear how I created the list? How I created the list? Is it clear? Please make sure, Dipankar. Dipankar. Is it? List. It's a very good option, you know. It will show you the drop down value. Okay. Is it clear? Everybody? Everybody completed, like you created the list or not? One more time. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, one more time. See, here orders are there. Okay, but I want here only the order ID can be entered. Order ID should be entered. But see, you have to enter the order ID now. Maybe the some like if you enter the with space, then it will provide you the error also. So you want to make a list of that order ID. So go to the data. There is an option of data validation. Then in a data validation, there is an option of list. And then select the data source. Data source. This one. Enter. Then I error alert. If like error is there, then error. Then okay. See, now all the list is here. Now you should use you can use the VLOOKUP or you can use anything else. So is equal to VLOOKUP this comma, then order table. The table should be from the leftmost column. That should be the order ID. Then comma 6. 6 is what? 6 is what? Column number, because customer name is a column in a 6 column. 6, 0. Enter. Now presently it is not available, but the moment I selected here the order ID, then it is giving me the name. Okay, you can use the if error function also. I like tell you about I already taught you the if error function. Then now suppose I want 6, 7, 9 complete from the VLOOKUP. 6th value, 7th value and 9. So just put a curly brackets. Then comma 7, 9 and put a curly bracket close. Enter. See. This is the country. This is the segment and this is the name. Name, segment, country. State, I think so. Pata nahi. State, state, I think so. The moment you change from here, automatically it will give you. Okay. Okay. I use the VLOOKUP because I want to extract the customer name of this order ID. An order ID, and then you can copy it and you can alter control V validation. See? Now you should copy the formula also. Presently it is giving you not available error because you haven't selected the order ID yet. Just select the order. Is it clear? Now it is clear, Dipankar? Why? Right? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so this is the list. Now again, I'm going to tell you about the advanced data validation. In an advanced validation, what you can do? For example, suppose you can use a one formula also. Like suppose I am having the order IDs here. I'm not using the order ID. Ship mode. P. And paste. Okay. Now I want to enter here the unique value also only. Like this is the duplicate values now. So I should select the cells. Okay, and then from here go to the data validation. Then there is an option of custom settings. There is an option of custom. In a custom, you should enter a formula. What formula you should enter? What formula you should enter is equal to count if. Okay, and this should be the fix. Then is equal to 1. Like यहाँ से start करे count करना और इसको जब काउंट करें तो ये एक ही होना चाहिए. ओके देन ओके जस्ट अ मिनट. Now suppose I am entering here the first class. I am entering here the second class. No issue. But the moment I enter here the first class, then it is giving me the error. Because duplicate value is there, no? Duplicate value is there, no? How it search? Please check. See, I enter a one formula. What the formula was is equal to count if. It should start from here. Okay, it should start from here, and that should be the dollar sign. That should be the dollar sign. Okay, and again, there should be the range C27. C27, when it goes down, then it automatically C28. And it should the second criteria is that should be this is equal to 1. जब यहां से यहां तक वो रेंज ले ले और इसी को काउंट करे तो वो एक आना चाहिए. Okay, now it is true. But when it goes down, then automatically it is giving me the, like, suppose it is first class, then it is giving me the false true, na? Is it? Is it clear? So I enter this formula in the data validation. Go to the data validation, then custom. This is the formula. Please check. Everybody should enter this formula. But according to your cells, huh? This is my cell. C27 is my cell. According to your cell, you should enter. Is it clear? समझ आ रही है क्या? Are you getting? Duplicate value, to prevent by entering the duplicate value, you can enter this formula, that is count if. Count if. This is a very good formula, you know, count if. हमने पढ़ा है ये चीजें. We already learned this formula. Is it clear? Who used this? Please tell me. completed. Should I move ahead? Done. Working now. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, here is the orders. Now, I want, like, here only the date should be of 2014 and 15. And if the dates are below 14 or above 15, then it should be get highlighted. So how? Just select it. Data validation. And then dates. Date should be between 04 01 2024. In here 03 31st 2025. But data is already entered now. Okay, but data is already entered. I'm not entering the data. So how I can find out the invalid data? There is an option of circle invalid data. See? Is it? Okay, I enter the 2024 now. So that's why it is highlighted the complete. I should again edit it. Data validation. That should be 14, 15. 14 and 15. Okay. So now you can check. Okay. The date which is not valid, it get highlighted. Should I move for the next? List is completed and then invalid circle invalid data. Completed. Should I move for the next? Done. Okay. Very good. Very good. Next is, see, we completed this data validation. Now there is an option of consolidate. That is a very good option. Consolidate. Consolidate means, as the name suggests, consolidate means, like, I'm sure in your field amalgamation is there. Amalgamation is there. Now when the two company amalgamate, then you have to check the cumulative results. Same thing here. For example, suppose this is the one balance sheet I am having. Fine. And this is balance sheet. Company A. And I should merge it. Liabilities amount. Assets amount. Okay, this is capital, and this is reserves. This is outstanding expenses, current liability. Okay. Then here is 10 lakh rupees capital is 1,50,000 is a reserve. Outstanding expenses is 25,500. Current liabilities 5,10,000. Okay, now this is cash. Building, machinery, furniture, then cash, bank, prepaid expenses. Okay. Here is 2,50,000. Machinery is 3,10,000. Furniture is 2,50,000. And the cash is 6,50,000. Okay. $115,500 and 40,000. Okay. I should take the total. The shortcut key for total is alt equal to. Okay. Now here is cash should be increased by 70,000. I am increasing the bank. And this, right now balance sheet is match. Now this is the one of the balance sheet I'm having for the company A. Same I'm having the company B balance sheet on next sheet. Sheet number 13 and sheet number 14. This is company B. This is company A. Okay. Now this is B company. Now B company do not have the outstanding expenses. So it should be deleted from here. Okay. And then he have 6,80,000 rupees. as a current liability. And this is what 3,50,000 rupees as a reserves. And then here he don't have, if a company, in a company B, there is no building. Building is given in the downstairs. Okay, building is given here. And the figures are changed. Machinery is 2,10,000. Furniture is 4 lakh rupees. Okay, and cash is given. Cash is not there. Yeah, or you can set the cash is here. Here is sundry debtor. Sundry debtor. Okay, then the sundry debtors are sundry debtors are 5 lakh rupees. $22,350. Okay, so I should prepaid expenses. I should decrease the prepaid expenses now by 6,500. So it should be 33,500. Now it is 2229 and it is so 2 lakh rupees. So this is 4. Then 1,000 rupees only. You know? So here should be. Okay, now two balance sheet I am having. One is of company A and second one is company B. I want cumulative results because now both the companies are amalgamated. So I should place a cursor here. Okay, and then under the data, there is an option of consolidate. Go to the consolidate, take a sum, total I want, then add a reference. From, don't add the title row, huh? From here, one like एक side करके आप add कर सकते हो. Then add, then second is company B. Then add. कंपनी ए का चेक कर लेते हैं कौन सा दिया है. कंपनी बी, दैट्स मीन one, no? So this is okay. Here should be without total. Okay. Be deleted. Now, okay, one more time I am going to select here. Don't confused about that. Okay. When you open this consolidate na data, then consolidate it. The window is there. Then sum. Then first you should select the company A. Company A liabilities only. Huh? Liabilities only. Then add. Add. Then company B's liabilities only. No matter the cells are different, okay? And no matter the headings are not same because see, like in that company, the outstanding expenses were there, but in this company, outstanding expenses is not there. Then press top row and left column. Do not forget to use the labels in top row and left column. See, now you have the amalgamated answer. Na? Current, both the current liabilities are 11,90,000. You can check. Here is a 680 and here is a 510. And here is a 10 and there also the 10. And then reserves is 50, 150 and 355 lakhs. See. Now again here, go to the data, then consolidate, but make sure you should delete this because I don't want this time this. Now again take a assets, company B, assets, before like without total, huh? Then add, then company A assets, then add. Then do not forget to tick on the top row and left column. See, you have the amalgamated balance sheet. If you wish, then you can check the total also. Definitely the total will be match. See. In case of amalgamated, then amalgamation, this is the very good option. Is it clear? Who have completed this option, that is consolidation? Consolidation. Who completed this option? Consolidation. Please tell me. Is it clear? Who completed amalgamation? Give me 5 minutes, ma'am. I am also doing simultaneously. Okay, okay, Dipankar. Okay. Do it, do it. And then please reply me after completing. Completed, Dipankar. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Now the next is consolidation is a very important, like I'm going to copy this data in a new sheet. Okay. Now here I want the total according to the state. Total according to the state. This is known as consolidate for form. So just select from here. Just select it and go to the data. There is an option of consolidation. Then sum and take a reference of this from state. Okay. Then there is an option of top row and left column. Top row and left column. And do not forget to add. Then press OK. Because see, I should. Here is already the data, so I should delete this data. Okay. Now just place the cursor over here. Go to the data, consolidation, then sum, and then reference should be from which you want to add the data. For example, you want to add the data according to the subcategory. Okay. Then subcategory, select it, then top row and left column and add. Press OK. See, now you have the phone's total sale, total quantity, discount, and total profit. In a single click, you will get, in a single click. Order priority cannot be added, so that's why it is blank. It remain blank. But here is order according to the subcategory total sale is there. Is it now one more time I'm telling you? Now this time I want according to the product name. So again go to the data, consolidate. Then by default here is a data selected data, so just select delete it. Then you should select from product name. Here is. Now this time you should select from product name. Enter, then add, and top row left column. Okay, see. It is taking some more time. Okay, no issue. Is it? So now according to the product name, you have the sales. Is it clear? So we already have seen a one consolidated, that is I gave you the example of balance sheet. In second consolidated, that I gave you the example of by product name I want to add the sales. Is it clear? Okay, I'm waiting because those students who are doing simultaneously, for those students I'm waiting. Do it please. Do it please. completed? Okay, so I'm moving ahead. Okay, now consolidate option is completed. Now under the data, after like consolidation, there is an option of manage, which we already learned in the data model and relationship. We already learned. Now what if analysis? This is a very good options in Excel. Please make my word important. Like listen carefully. This is a very important option in Excel, that is what if analysis. In a what if analysis, three tools are there. One is scenario manager, second is goal seek, third one is a data table. One is scenario manager, second is a goal seek, third is a data table. Okay, so I'm going to create here some data for that. I think so. I have the data, so I should check first. Yes. Okay. If you remember, when I told you about, when I taught you the financial modeling, then at that time I taught you this example. I'm sure everybody have this example. Okay. So see, scenario managers. Using in a scenario manager, we can make the scenarios and save it in a different name. For example, this is a one scenario. This is the one scenario. So I want to save this scenario. Data, then what if analysis scenario manager. This is the one default scenario. Add scenario name. Now I want the moderate. I want the name is moderate data. Moderate data. And in a moderate data, okay, I want to edit the C2 to B2 to C8. That is B2, not B2 to C8. I want to edit only this one, the main data. Then okay. Now in the moderate scenario, the C2 is production. So C2 will be 1500. And C3 is a price will be 40. And C4 is a cost will be 18. Cost will be 18. And then C5 is a interest rate will be the 9%, 0.09 we can say. And then C6 is increment, so increment will be 0.06. Then C7 will be the increment in cost. So cost increment will be the 0.035. And then increment in the production increment will be the 0.12. Okay. Now I want to save it, and the summary is, I want to check the summary of this NPV. The summary. Okay. Now you can check. Now you can check presently your scenario is the common scenario which you already created. Under the data, in the scenario manager, you can check if the moderate data is there, then what will be the option? See? And also it gives me the scenario summary. Current value and moderate data. And I can create the more than one scenario also. I want to create one new scenario also. Data, what if analysis, scenario manager, then new. And instead of that, we can assign the names. For example, this is the production. This cell name is production. This cell name is unit price. Unit price. This cell name is cost. This is the I rate. I rate. This is the increment price. This is the increment cost. And the last is increment in production. Increment production. Now you can create the data. Then scenario manager, add. Okay, then scenario name, the best scenario, best. Same, changing cell is same, then okay. Now production will be in the best scenario, the production will be 2500. The unit price will be 48 rupees. In the cost, definitely cost will be reduced if the production will high. Then increment rate will be increased by 0.5%. Then incremented price. Okay, this is interest rate. 7.5. And this is increment in price is 5%. Increment in cost is 2.5. Then increment in production is 15%. Now press OK and summary. Then okay, see, now you have the 3 scenarios. One is current value, moderate and best. Okay, now here also you can check. Like for first, you want to check the scenario in case of moderate data, then show. And in case of best data, then show. See, is it? You can check the summary report also. This is the summary report. Now please answer me, because these are the important options. Is it clear? Scenario manager. Tomorrow I'll give you the more examples of the scenario manager. Also the what if analysis tools, other tools is goal seek and data table. But make sure scenario manager, the simple example already completed. Please check how I created the scenario manager. And this is the, like, I'm sure this data is already with you because I gave you the example of financial modeling. Is it? Anybody else who want to ask something like regarding the scenario manager? Yeah, definitely Deepankar needs more practice. It needs more practice. Like in a Excel, you should be comfortable in a Excel because see, while working in the offices, then Excel is a very useful. Because you used to work with the Excel because we are getting the data from the client side now. Then in that case, we have to analysis the data. So we should know about the all the things, whatever I taught you in the class. I have taken the like much more example which is related to your field. It's not like that. I haven't, I don't think so. Anytime I gave a one example which is not related into your topics. Every time I gave you the example which is related to your topics. Is it? Yes, it needs some practice. Should I move for the next? Okay. Now the next is, again, it is a very important option, you know. I'm sure everybody is aware with the BEP, that is break even point. Break even point. Sometimes, you know, you have the production and you have the, okay, I'm taking from here. Copy. Okay, I'm taking the example of the same. This is my production, this is unit price, this is cost price, this is interest. Then what will be the profit? Profit after tax is equal to this multiplied by unit price minus this multiplied by production. Okay, then again minus interest rate. This multiplied by interest. This is your profit. This is your profit. Okay, like this is the, this multiplied by this is your sales. Then this multiplied by this is your cost. Then this multiplied by this is your interest rate. So the total profit is this one. Okay, I have taken a one single formula. Now I want to make it 0. Okay, see, so the interest rate should be covered now. Interest rate should be covered. So I want to check the what should be the break even point is what? What is the break even point? So there is an option of data, then goal seek, goal seek. This is the set cell. Set cell is a what? Set cell is a what? In which I have a formula and value is 0. By changing cell, which one? This one. Just a minute. Okay, so I should. I had to make a one mistake. The interest should be on. Okay, I'm taking here the profit before tax. Okay. This is the fixed cost. Fixed cost. And here is for 10,500 is our fixed cost. And I should minus the fixed cost also. Now the profit is 79,500. But I want no profit, no loss. So the profit should be 10,500 so that the fixed cost should be covered. So from here, data, what if analysis, goal seek. Then to value, I want 10,500. And by changing sale production. See, how much production should be there so that your fixed cost will be covered? How much production will be there so that your fixed cost will be covered? Break even point. I'm sure this term is very much aware with all of you. Is it clear? BEP? BEP, is it clear? Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks for the patience listening. Tomorrow we will do the lots of practice in the what if analysis because 3 tools which are very important in our field. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Bye and take care.